Good morning, kids! Time to get ready and go to school. Today surely is going to be a great day. Let's get to it. But as always, I need to follow my morning routine. And the first thing I do is brush my teeth. Oh, look! There's a message at the window. Have you got a toothbrush? Of course, yes, I have. How could I brush my teeth otherwise? I have got a toothbrush. Yes, and here it is, my toothbrush. I've got a beautiful blue toothbrush. Done. The next thing I do is to comb my hair. And look, this time there's a message on the shower curtain. And what does it say? Have you got a hair comb? Have you got a hair comb? Yes, I have. I have got a black hair comb and here it is. Let me brush my hair. Let me brush my hair. Let me brush my hair. Ready! Now I get dressed and today, yes, I think it's going to be a very cold day. In the closet, there's a question. Let's see it. Have you got warm clothes? Yes, I have got warm clothes, but let's check inside the closet. Look, long pants, yes. A warm sweater, yes. A scarf, yes. And a coat, yes. And warm shoes, yes. I have got warm clothes for a cold day. Ready! And the last thing I do is to prepare my school bag. Now, whoa! Okay, hi! Look at the bear, it's shaking. And what's happening? It's floating. Oy, oy, oy. On the floor, there's a question. Have you got a pencil case? Yes, I have got a pencil case. Here it is. Have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. I have got a ruler. And have you got a bottle of glue? No. I haven't. No. I haven't got a bottle of glue. I need to get one after school today. Thanks to remember me. And have you got a rubber? Yes, I have. Of course. Ready. Okay, I am ready to go to school. Have fun.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, ready to work today with have got, the verb have got, okay? The verb have got points possession, yes? Look, here we have how can we conjugate it. I have, you have. But wait, with he, she and it, we cannot say he have. We need to say he has, she has, it has. And then with the plural pronouns, we, you, and they, we also use have, okay? See the examples in here. Have you got a pencil? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has she got a pencil? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. And have they got a pencil? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Now let's go and read the first activity. Complete the questions with have got and answer them. Then color the letters and the pictures. Great. Okay, so let's start completing the sentence. Have you got a toothbrush? If I have got, yes, I have got a toothbrush. I brush my teeth every day. So let's write yes, I have. Okay, have you got? Yes, I have. Have you got a toothbrush? Yes, I have. And I'm going to use this beautiful light blue and paint. Have you got? Have you got a toothbrush? And the toothbrush is this, right? This is the toothbrush, so let's just paint it. Ooh, great. Okay, now let's go for the second question. Have you, okay, what is missing? Have you got a hair comb? Okay, so we need to write got. And I'm going to do it with the same font, so then we can fill these letters with a beautiful marker. And this time a dark blue. Have you got a hair comb? This is a hair comb. Yes, I have. Of course I have. I comb my hair every day when I wake up, right? Before going to school, I comb my hair. So yes, I have. Yes, I have. All right, well done. Then let's go for the question. Have you got a ruler? Okay, this is what we're checking here. Have you got a ruler? If I have got a ruler, this is a ruler. Yes, I have. I go to school with a pencil case, and this pencil case has a ruler inside. So have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. If you don't have it, you say no, I have not. But I'm pretty sure that you all have a ruler in your pencil cases, okay? So let's write yes, I have. Yes, I have. Well done. And finally, oh, here we missed the full question. So we need to write have you got. Okay, let's go. H A B E U. Okay, U Y O U. Have you got? Have you got a bottle of glue? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you got? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Well done! Yes, we need to paint the ruler. As we're using blues, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint the ruler, and I'm going to paint it with dots, so it's like a different ruler. And then the glue, the same. I'll paint it with a dark blue in here and in here. But if you want to paint it with orange, pink, red, yellow, it's totally fine, okay? You choose, it's up to you guys. All right, well done. Remember, when someone asks you, have you got something? We talk about possession, and we need to say, yes, I have, or no, I haven't, okay? Goodbye.